What is up, people, and welcome to my brand new review. In this review we will test how to get the latest Rivals script for your Roblox absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. Guys, you can do it with your Android, your iOS devices, or even with your PC. So for start, let's go to this website. It's called blockspan.com. You will find it easily. Click browse scripts and click on Rivals, so it should load up. And then, guys, we will enter our Roblox username or our user ID. So don't worry, because it's the only thing that we will actually enter here. I will go with my username like this. Click done, click connect to server, and guys, you should get this. So if it's your account, just click connect and you will be successfully connected. So guys, before we import scripts, we have to get any executor into our Roblox, but don't worry, because we can import the newest Delta executor if you don't have. So if you already have Delta, just select yes. If you already have a different executor, just select I already have a different executor. So I currently have no, so I will just leave it as no and click there. So when you click there, you will get this option for importing scripts. So there we go. Now we will select scripts that we actually like. You can Google them and see what features they have, what games do they support. I'll go with Accent Hub, Snowy Hub, and Lumin Hub, for example, with these three. Click import scripts after this, guys, and just start connecting to the API. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, because I'll record it more. And look at this, API request is successful. Our Delta build is ready with our key, and our three scripts are selected for import and ready. Look at this, guys, full scripts. Look at this, with premium key and custom loader. Nice. So now we will click verify and complete now, because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. Just click verify and complete now, and let's wait a little bit so it redirects us. And boom, guys, imported. Our username is connected and our three scripts selected are imported. Look at this, guys, so nice. Now we are going to open our Rivals and we will see, are we actually getting our Delta executor with our three scripts selected. So guys, before you get this imported message, if you're detected as a bot, you might be asked to complete two simple tasks from the list. So don't worry, because all tasks are free and safe, and it requires literally under 2 minutes to complete this. So just go on, complete two tasks from that list. You will get redirected after this to this message and this page with your username and script selected. After this, just close it and open Roblox back. Let's see now. So let's scroll and click on Rivals. So click play, guys, and let's wait until it loads up. Okay, I'll rotate, and look at this. We already got our Delta executor fully activated. Look at this, guys. And let's check for the scripts, and boom. Accent Hub, Lumin Hub, and Snowy Hub, just as we selected, guys. Nice. So let me click play, and let's select for beginner. Let me click beginner, better, this beginner, and let's see, are we actually getting our scripts? I mean, does it actually work? Let's see. So now we're going to open our scripts. Click execute, right? Let me click on Accent Hub, for example. Let's click execute, guys. Let's close this and let's wait a little bit. So let's make sure that it actually works. Okay, and look at this, guys. Key is successfully loading up. There we go. Oh my god, guys, look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god, we actually got our script working. I cannot believe. Okay, let's wait a little bit. It freezes. Just wait. Let's wait a little bit. Nice. Let's go, guys. We got fully working scripts for our Rivals. Look at this, guys. Oh my god. Let's open this. Let's click aimbot, for example. Block target. Look how many options do we have. Oh my god. How to close this? Okay, there we go. And now we can use aimbot. Oh my god, guys, I'm so excited. I never played with this before. Let's click on ESP, for example. Enable ESP. Oh my god. Yeah, it should work. Look at this. Now we see everything. Look at this, guys. Oh my god. So how does it? You can test Oh, okay, it works. It works. Nice. So you can test literally more options, guys. And look at this. I don't know to play this, but I bet you can do it better than me. Nice, it works. Oh my god, guys, look how many options do we have. Look at this. Visuals, view model, camera, world, movement. It's crazy, guys. You can do literally whatever you like with this script. So guys, that's pretty much for it. If you want to remove this, just reinstall your Roblox and it's fully undetected. I forgot to say that this script is fully undetected and you cannot get banned. Guys, that's pretty much it for this review. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.